नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज आमचे बरोबर आसात पर्वरीचे आमदार रोहन खंवटे. आनीक विशय दोन आहात. एक साश्टी भितर किती धिरयो चलतात राजकारण्यांच्यो त्यो आमी पळयल्यात. अकस्मात त्या धिरयां भितर आतां बार्देस भितर सरला. तो कित्याक तें पळोवया. आनी दुसरें, देर इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इशू, तो म्हळ्यार शिक्षणाचो. आज परीक्षा केन्ना घेवप आनी घेवप काय ना हाजेर आमी डिस्कशन करतात. आनी अशी परिस्थिती भितर फुडलें शिक्षणीक वर्स कशें सुरू जातलें म्हाका दिसता तेंय म्हत्वाचें आनी ताजेर चर्चा जावप म्हत्वाची. आनी ताजेरूय पर्वरीचे आमदार उलोवपाक सोदतात. रोहन, वेलकम टू द शो. लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आनी मोस्ट ड्रॅमॅटीक गजाल, ती म्हळ्यार चर्चिल ब्रदर्सांचेर तुवें मारिल्लो फार. अशी कितें गरज पडली की तूं सामको डायरेक्ट साश्टी भितर वचून ते बॉम्ब घालपाक लागलो?
फुटबॉल इज अ स्पोर्ट विच इज क्लोज टू ऑल ऑफ अस. आणि आमकां प्लेयर सगळे गोंयचे बरे फुडें सरले जाय.
हय.
वी ऑलवेज लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ऑल ऑफ अस and maybe corporate spend money on football to make players. चर्चिल आमकां पयलो मनीस मेळ्ळो जो प्लेयर आनी फुटबॉल दाखोवन पयशे जोडपाक लागला. I think with all these issues started after in the last few weeks, एक दिसतालें की चर्चिलाचे खंय ना जाल्यार खंय रॉंग आसा जाल्यार कितें चल्लां काय म्हणून. When we are fighting COVID, Churchill suddenly becomes a spokesperson for the ruling government when he's supporting or whatever. That's his individual decision. But important is when the things of nepotism take place, you need to understand what is behind it. As football circular sport being misused by Churchill for his own benefit, for his personal gains, is something which is nothing less than a scam which he is famous for. वेगळे स्कॅम झाले फक्त स्पोर्ट जो तो म्हणटा आपला आवडतो सब्जेक्ट तातून करपाचे उरले तातूनही ताणें केलें. And the fraudulent means what he has done is he's done it so systematically that he has made mistakes after mistakes and created his own grave. आज ताणें आपली कंपनी नासतना कंपनी दाखोवप, डायरेक्टर नासतना त्या कंपनीन सरकारान पयशे दिवप, ते बी सादे न्ही, 3-3 कोटी वर्साक करून 9 कोटीचे टोटल इन्स्टॉलमेंट्स. आणि दिस मनी what is being used normally आम्ही धंद्यान वतकच 25% घालतात आणि 75% लोन काढतात बँकेकडल्यान. सो 25% आमचं कॅपिटल असतं. चर्चिल पहिलो मनीस असतलो ज्याने 3 कोटी सरकाराकडल्यान घेतले आणि 1.5 कोटी मोडलो. पहिले 1.5 कोटी प्रॉफिट केले. ते 1.5 कोटी मोडला ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करपाक जाय. सो आय थिंक football needs to be nurtured the right way, not in the way Churchill is trying to hijack it. The ball from the perspective of showing he's doing something for football. There are clubs. In the yesterday in the press conference, I have highlighted every detail how he has actually left the unity of these clubs, which had taken a strong claim against AIFF policies, which was detrimental. They by and I league entry maldi. Then he starts showing a fraudulent company which has no directors, which have been discarded or which have been disqualified from as per ROC guidelines. He takes money in connivance with government officials. A scheme which was bloated, we were in the government. This scheme, when we were there, we said it is good for football at large for Goa, not for an individual club. Bakicha 3 clubs, I understand, FC Goa, Salgaonkar, Sporting Club in Goa applied for it. Replace forget getting any application process. And this man gets the money in 1 month. And that also not of the full level such a February scheme float at 17-18. And he gets money of April 2017 onwards. म्हणजे फाटले 3 कोटी म्हणजे सरकार हाका देणे आशिल्लो कित्याक हो फुटबॉलान आसा म्हणून. So I think these things which is connivance is clearly exposed where government officials also were involved in giving this type of large amount of 9 crores of rupees. In addition to which he has also looted GFDC, Goa Football Development Corporation, the institute asa जे grant देऊ शकना. So he first time he managed to get dowry from GFDC along with the वकले बरोबर. जसे आम्ही खंयचे क्लब खेळटा दिस क्लब फी, प्लेयर फी. हांव समज दुसऱ्या क्लबाचो प्लेयर घेता जाल्यार ताका फी दिवन म्हाका त्या प्लेयराक घेवचो पडटा. First time GFDC has given after training and spending on the players another 70 lakhs per year to Churchill to take the players and the money. The other fellows were not even considered. And when you have had Arjuna awardees like Bruno Kuchino, when you have had people like Brahmanand Shipwalkar, Sanjeev Rambekar voice their opinions in SCG or GFDC meetings, they have been unheard and things get processed. Best म्हणल्यार चर्चिल ब्रदर्स गोंयकारांचे उलयता. स्कीम घेता आसतना गोंयकार तरी आसपा जाय आशिल्लें. होल टिमीक the total number of players with Goan origin is not more than 35%. And as per the scheme, it should have been 75% minimum. So I think all these flaws together, for which आमच्या हातून म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खुबशे बारीक बारीक क्लब आसा, बरे प्लेयर आसा, तांकां ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळना. हांकां बडिंग प्लेयर्स तयार करतले तर सरकारान सगळ्यांक स्कीम दिवंक जाय.
तो ताची कशी आहा
स्कीम दिवंक जायना,
ते
पैसे रिकवर करपाक जाय, इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करपाक जाय आणि ताका जो एक्शन घेवन त्या चर्चीला घेवचेच पडटले.
एक गजाल कशी आहा ते म्हणटात चर्चील मातसो बीजेपीक लागीं जाला अशें कितें तरी तुमकां दिसता म्हणून तुमी ताचे अटॅक मारपा लागल्या म्हण. तुमकांय बी व्हडलो फुटबॉलाचो मोग ना पूण तो बीजेपीक लागीं वता तें पळोवन तुमकां चड मातशी उस्तुरी वता म्हणून. ह्या आरोपाक तूं रिप्लाय कसो करता?
Whatever claims come in, I wouldn't want to get this. What happens is चर्चिलाक ती सवय आसा पॉलिटिकल टर्न घेवपाची. जेन्ना ताचेर चार्ज येता तो वेगळे वेगळे काडटलो, जात काडटलो, पात काडटलो, तरेतरेचे काडटलो टू डायवर्ट द टॉपिक. सी फेराची टॉपिकाचेर जर मनीस फेल जालो, that is why he came to football and suddenly started doing other things. इतले दीस चर्चिल बद्दल फुटबॉलाचो इशूच नाशिल्लो. That made us understand that something is wrong somewhere. आणि पयर कळिल्ल्या प्रमाणे शुक्रारा 8 मे the government is supposed to disburse another 1 crore of rupees. Now, when the COVID thing is going on, when we are all coming together above political lines to ensure that आमकां माझे 3 महिन्याचे दिलेच, इल्ले आमकां 30% of the year दिले as their salaries towards COVID fund. There are corporates, there are other people coming and giving money to the corpus as far as COVID funds are concerned. त्या टायमार तूं आनी दिवपाचे सोड, आसा तेच पहिले सांभाळपाची गरज आसा विथ द इकॉनॉमिक कंडिशन द स्टेट इज फेसिंग. अँड इन दीस पर्टिक्युलर टाइम चर्चिल ब्रदर्स सारकेल्या स्कीम एकट्या मनशाक समज मेळटा आनी पयशे वतले. आय थिंक दॅट इज माय ऑब्जेक्शन. देयर इज नो पॉलिटिक्स इन दिस. अँड फुटबॉल सडनली येवना. when 1 crore of rupees is supposed to be given to Churchill, another 2 crore after some time, this is the objection that we have, that I am actually putting across. ते ऑब्जेक्शन घालता असताना the data which I tried getting across, कितलेशे हे ओपन झाले, बॉक्स ओपन झाली, लायक अ पंडोरा बॉक्स which kept giving की चर्चिलान कांडाचेर करीत गेला. सो दीस पर्टिक्युलर थिंग समज आयला, चीफ सेक्रेटरी इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करपाक जाय कित्याक गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर का नाही. स्कीम जी आशिल्ली सगळ्यांक मेळच्या पेक्षा इंडिव्हिज्युअल स्कीम अँड गव्हर्नमेंट इज गिव्हिंग देम द मनी विदाउट इवन अ युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट. हे केन्ना जाला की बाबा युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट नासतना सरकार पैसे दीत रावता, फाटले कितें वापरले ते खबर नासतना फुडले आनी डिसबर्स करीत रावता, केन्ना जावंक शकता. I think there is much more than the eye can see. And first and foremost, we need to ensure that further grants to Churchill stops till the time the balance is investigated and action is taken on him and the government officers.
तुम्ही खंय सगळे व्हडले जातीचे राजकारणी एकठांय जावन तरी फाटल्यान लागल्या तशें खंय चर्चिलाक दिसता.
पळय सरकार कितें उलयता सगळी आमी असेंब्लीनूय आयकलां, भायरूय आयकलां. सगळे जेन्ना टॉपिक्साक उत्तर नासता जात पात येतात. आमी भुरगेपणाच्यान आमकां जात पात शिकयल्ली ना, आमकां मनीसपण शिकयलां. जात पात घेवन जो राजकारण करता ते दीस सोंपले. चर्चिलान समजूंक जाय आज सगळे शिक्षीत आसात, सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कितें आसा तें, काळें धवें खंय आसा तें. ताचे खातीर चर्चिलान पयलीं तें बंद करपाक जाय उलोवपा खातीर. आनी तेच समज आसा जाल्यार हे पयशे आसा पळय ते ताणें सगळे 9 कोटी परत काडून बारीक समाजाच्या कल्याणाक वापरूंक जाय, ना की आपल्या स्वताच्या घराचे डेली खर्चाक.
नेक्स्ट इश्यू जो आशिल्लो तो म्हळ्यार ज्या विशयाचेर तुयी उलोवपाक सोदतालो तो म्हळ्यार शिक्षणाचो आनी ई लर्निंगाचो. What are your thoughts initially? Then we will go deeper into it.
See, we are going through a very difficult phase of COVID-19, and it is very important for all of us to think above lines and think future. Think of how we need to look at. One thing is very clear: the education sector is changing. Whether we like it or we don't like it, disruptive technologies are coming in, and education 4.0 is something what we can think will be the future. आज education जशें बदलता तेन्ना एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक फुडें वचपाची चालना घेवपाक फुडें कशें जाय इज समथिंग विच वी नीड टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. ऑनलायन कोर्सेस बाकीचे ऑल दीस थिंग्स हॅव बीन अ थॉट विच हॅज बीन कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरियस डिफरंट पॉइंट्स. बट COVID-19 has made us think that we need to start moving faster than what it is. As there is an anxiety on people who have not been able to answer the 10th standard board exams. तांकां खबर ना आमची बोर्ड एक्झाम केन्ना जातली ती. 12वीचे रिझल्टाक लोक रावले. फुडलें शिक्षण जे डिप्लोमा डिग्री कोर्सेस आसा, प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेस आसा, दे हॅव जेई एनी नीट सगळे बाकीच्यो एक्झामी येतात त्यो आन्सर करपाक जाय एक वाट इन द कोविड ग्राफ हॅज नॉट कम डाऊन आणि गोंया स्पेशली इन द मॉन्सून्स बी आवर भुरगीं जेन्ना आमची वता स्कुलान नाल्यार कॉलेजीन थंडी ऑटोमॅटिक घेऊन येता दुसऱ्या कडल्यान as lockdown we have had selective where we are asking people to come in and in this phase of people coming back to the hometowns god forbid if any case starts getting viral and तांच्या भुरग्यांकडे आणि कोणाक आली ती मास जावपाक वेळ लागचो as we welcome our people back we need to ensure that they are tested but at the same time education needs to take a proper line of action which the government where the chief minister is the minister for education needs to start taking very strong corrective measures and starts working fast. For a teacher की गोष्ट अशी teachers are holding whether they're D or degree holders they are supposed to be kept into a place where we need to plan with them. You can't put them in fair price ration shops and start telling them की beneficiaries अंचे तू signing मार आमच्याकडे रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट असा ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट असा वेट्स अँड मेजर्स असा सिव्हिल सप्लायज असा कितलेशे डिपार्टमेंट असा ज्यातल्यान रिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टाफ कुड हॅव बीन केप्ट इन द रेशन शॉप्स टू सर्टिफाय व्हॉट इज गिवन टू द बेनिफिशरीज आता हो 21 मे पर्यंत जी चालना केल्या फुल दीस हो सगळ्या टिचरींक एससीआरटी ट्रेनिंग घालपाचे ऑनलाईन कोर्सेस तांकां करपाक जाय आशिल्ले ते ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचे रिफ्रेशर कोर्सेसाक घालपाक जाय आशिल्ले करिकुलम तयार करपाक ई कंटेंट कशें आसा तें करपाक because in the future virtual classrooms will be coming in this we need to adopt to technology today as म्हजे भुरगे first to 8th standard which is under RT or CE either way passes the things without any norms that they are told in that particular manner as per the guidelines of HRD ते करतले जाल्यार can we keep these children who are having less immunity to go to schools and get something as viral fever can we introduce online to them can we have audio lectures to them these are things which we can start thinking about and start using technology is best 9वी 10वी 11वी 12वी हे 4 वर्सां इम्पॉर्टंट असतात करियर बिल्ड अप करपाक भुरग्यांचो तांकां स्कुलान वतले जाल्यार इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो अवेलेबल आसा तो कसो युटिलायज करचो तो पळोवचो पडटा आज आमी ऑनलायन जमन म्हणटले the most important thing is infrastructure. As a IT minister, I was actually getting into last mile connectivity, and also I was looking at one more thing which is very important is fiber to the home. Fiber to the home should have been a important aspect of today's technology, where like water, like electricity, the fiber goes to every household, where we are supposed to get e-content and everything because today technology runs on network. And network is something which we need to have very strong. आज नेटवर्क तयार करून समज घालपाक जाय कितलो वेळ लागतलो आमच्याकडे जीबीबीएन आसा what do we need to do how do we source this network तयार करून आम्ही how do we ensure that the last person in the smallest village gets a network how can we utilize smartphones आमच्याकडे आज Zoom आसा Google Classrooms आसा we have various technologies which we can adopt to and ensure the safety of our child शेवटी समज आमचो भुरगोच सेफ नासतलो जाल्यार शिक्षण करून खंय वचता आणि
एक प्रश्न जो येता एक प्रश्न असा की वी आर ऑलरेडी इन मे सो आता 10वीची परीक्षा किती करप हाजेर आमी अडकून पडल्यात एक जो महत्वाचो प्रश्न आसतलो की जुनाक कितें करपाचें वर्स सुरू करपाचें काय करपाचें ना कारण फायबर टू द होम इज नॉट ओनली अ नेसेसरी कॉन्सेप्ट आय थिंक इट इज लायक अ फंडमेंटल रायट आतां आणि एक 2-3 वर्सांनी ह्या परिस्थिती भितर फायबर एट होम इंटरनेट एट होम आणि हाय स्पीड ब्रॉडबँड एट होम कॅन व्हेरी वेल बी क्लासिफायड एज फंडमेंटल रायट सो बट इट वील टेक टायम आतां कितें करपाचें दीस कॅन बी अ लॉंग टर्म सोल्युशन आतां आमी ऑलरेडी मेक आसात एक आठवडो सोंपलो जुनाक कितें करपाचें
पयलो म्हणल्यार वी हॅव टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टँड दॅट द कन्सेप्ट्स आर चेंजिंग this whole technology is resulting in from teacher-centric education to student-centric education. When this whole process starts changing, we have to ensure that the teacher is taken care of and the student. As 2 महिने आम्ही एज्युकेशनाचेर उलयतात जाल्यार चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ओनली वेटिंग एज अ रिमोट कंट्रोल बटन फ्रॉम द सेंटर एमएचे कितें सांगता ग्रीन झोनान कितें जालें and how could we expedite our 10th standard could have been spoken. Now we are waiting for 17 to the lockdown to come down and then decide. 10वीचो भुरगो एक्झाम आन्सर करपाक 10 दीस पयलीं सुद्दां तुवें कळयलें he has to gear up for the 10th standard exams. And 10वी सोपना फुडें कितें फ्युचर आसा बिकॉज ताजी फुडल्यो एग्जाम्स आसतल्यो. He has to answer is if he wants to go into a professional course, maybe a diploma in polytechnic or something after 10th standard, his exams immediately will start as far as technical education is concerned.
हय.
So the whole vertical needs to be made very clear. And for everything that we are doing, unless we use technology, we will not be able to adopt any of the practice that we feel. As आमचे chief minister and actually as the education minister should have spent time on the education sector trying to ensure की minimal आम्ही लोकांक धाडल्याशिवाय स्कुलाक मॅक्झिमम आउटपुट कसो मेळूंक शकता. ई कंटेंट करिक्युलम टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरून नेटवर्क वापरून how can we best adapt to practices which is the future. As massive online courses MOOC is already there. We have so many things like Khan Academy and the rest who are already there giving these online courses. Why don't we think of tying up with all these people and start ensuring that we are able to get them along with the school curriculum? Etati Varsa, how it is abroad, we will have to adopt the practices where a child who is studying in college A will be accessible to online courses with the best of the teachers anywhere, as long as he gets a graduation from the place where he is studying. Structuring which is happening in the world, and we are far behind. So yeah, was jenna amka खूप important as education, e-learning becomes the focal point. And e-learning each vertical, first is the network, second is the infrastructure, third is the concept of virtual classrooms, fourth is the concept of online courses, fifth is using technology. Sadi WhatsApp available. Teachers can start broadcasting audio recordings of their lectures, which normally they give in school or classroom or college. The same thing, they can open a window or a chat box, asking questions. The children being given a time frame to ask their queries and questions after the lecture is over. Small things, if we start thinking, then the thought is very important. And Ami Goy is very easy to adopt because we are small. Since we are small in size, we have enough teachers. Making optimum use of this is important. Pannasa Vailo teacher after 50 years, teachers may have a problem of adapting to this type of practices. But teachers who are within their 20s to 40s and 50s, after 50, they can definitely be structured in a manner which can be utilized for giving an output for our Goikar Burge. Yes, समज आम्ही टेक्नॉलॉजी आज वापरली ना, जाल्यार डिजिटल टेक्नॉलॉजीचो मोदी उलयतालो, जे बाकीचे उलयताले खंय उरले? We were talking about digital India.
Correct.
We are moving towards digital India. Where are we?
You are saying this is the best opportunity. You are saying this is the best need-based opportunity to make digital India a reality. And at least गोंयांतल्यान ताची बरी सुरवात जावपाक शकता.
Goa can be the first state to have the digital technology. We normally start looking at Delhi when the education sector comes, looking at happy classes and all those things. Happy hours. We can have this particular thing done in Goa. The problem is we are not able to apply our mind in understanding how we take these learning applications along with us. Byju's circle, Adda, 24/7 कितें आसा. These are all online learning tools which are already being used by the world and in the country itself, in different states. Instead of adapting to different states' practices, we can give them an example. And this is doable. I am not talking something which is undoable.
Correct.
Given a challenge, I will do it in 3 months and show. 3 महिन्यानं करून दाखयता हेच गजाल जी सरकार करून शकना जाल्यार हांव 3 महिन्यानूच करून दाखयता with a free hand, showing how we can adapt to the best practices without affecting, keeping in mind the COVID-19, safety of our children, and utilizing the resources best that we have and what we need to create. Network वाल्यांकडे उलय, education institute उलय, university group in कर, take the academia together. You have so many people like Dr. Nandakumar Kamath who will be very happy to share his thoughts. I think these are the people who we Goa has created. भास्करना एक्झाम पळय ना, सगळ्यांनी खूप आपले योगदान दिल्लें आसा गोंयांत. तांकां तांचे एक्सपिरियन्स घेयात, नवें ब्लड इन्फ्यूज करात आणि start getting your best practices around. Even if we are able to tackle 30 to 40% the first year, by next year we are prepared. And especially the sector which we may lose out in terms of education that they feel is only the thought of a government who is not able to act upon.
Okay.
To give excuse is very simple.
Thanks a lot for म्हाका दिसता very valuable inputs. आमी म्हाका दिसता इकॉनॉमीचेर उलयतात आनी एज्युकेशनाचेर उलयतात. सो इकॉनॉमी आनी एज्युकेशन ह्या दोनूय गजालीचेर हांवूय फाल्यां सावन आतां कंप्लीट ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग ह्या गजालींचेर स्टार्ट करता. वी होप टू गेट यू बॅक वेन आय गेट सम एक्सपर्ट्स ऑन द पॅनल.
I am on one subject. I think unanimously the government needs to take a call, take the stakeholders, whether it's PTAs, other things personally, and looking at concerns of the parents, which have shared concerns with me, saying that they are little scared about sending their children to school for
Which
this
is
academic year.
a real
Same
fear in the
concerns-
mind. Yeah.
Same concerns must be there in the lot of parents which are there throughout the state.
Correct.
Additionally, exams जाऊन their anxiety level may lead into depression. We have had counselors appointed in the state. Where are they? And what are they doing? I think we need to start creating data and what database, how IT minister असताना strongly घेतलेलं whether labor department, education and data pick up करपाक लागता. Like data analytics would have given every sector what we need, how we need, and today it would have been an easier game to do. Unfortunately, we couldn't meet the targets. But this government definitely can, if they're serious about it, then they should do it, not having any political.
This is for everybody.
I am ready to help these guys as long as Goa is safe and we are able to chalk out the right verticals on this particular lines. Education this year will be one of the most foremost subjects for the state.
Yes, absolutely.
Keeping in mind,
I think education and economy are our new battlefields. Samke.
Yes.
Thanks a lot for talking to us. परत करूया हाजेर कारण दिस इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट. आमी जितली इकॉनॉमीचेर उलयतात तितले आतां मे म्हयन्या पावतकीर म्हाका दिसता आमी एज्युकेशनाचेरूय उलोवपा जाय. आय विल ऑल्सो डू फ्रॉम माय सायड टू गेट ऑल द एक्सपर्ट्स. वी विल गेट यू बॅक अगेन ऑन द पॅनल विथ दोज एक्सपर्ट्स अँड लेट्स कंटिन्यू दीस एक्सरसाइज. थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.